Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura and you're watching day 11 of the Hemline Grotto Sewing Advent Calendar. So we have gotten some metallic thread, some white thread, a retractable measuring tape that's on a keychain. Definitely is already in my purse. We've gotten a horseshoe magnet. We've gotten some little scissors. I don't know about you guys, but those are priceless. So let's open up and see what we have for day 11. And what I've been doing, there are a lot of the advent calendars where they just have little boxes that you open and you can take your item out. This one, they each have their own individual boxes, so I didn't want to take the boxes out. So as I open the day, I'm turning it upside down. And that way it still looks nice and neat. It actually, my OCD is where I tore it open at the bottom, not realizing there was perforation there. So I feel a little silly with that, but it is what it is, and it ain't what it ain't. Day 11. A measuring gauge. I can see lots of uses for that. Oh, I tell you what. When I'm working with my little hexagons, this is going to come in handy. It's going to come in handy for a lot of things. But I like that. Nice little handy tool. And now I guess what I need to do is find some way of organizing all my little tools. I have a, one of those plastic 3-drawer things underneath. It's not really a sewing table. It's actually my mom's old dining room table. But it's too big to go into our little kitchen dining area. And it's one I'm not willing to let go of, because I remember that was one of those that was found on the road type thing. Before you had Facebook Marketplace telling you, curbside alert, there was this table. And my mom had my dad stop, and they asked the people, and she stripped it, and she restained it, and she sanded it, and I have that memory of all the work that she put into that table. So it is not going anywhere. I can let go of a lot of things, but there, just because she touched something doesn't make it precious. But that one, I have memories. So, but anyway, I've got that underneath the little table, and it's just the perfect size. So I probably need to clear out one of the drawers and find a way of putting some of my tools in there. One of the drawers is all thread, which I was at Joann's yesterday, and they had buy 3 get 3 free on their thread. So I tend to try to get some whenever it's on sale and a good price. But I think I've got enough for right now, so I didn't get any this last time. But so that's one drawer, and I think another drawer is some miscellaneous. So I think I should take the miscellaneous out and organize some of my little tools, like this little measuring gauge. I definitely can see some application for that. Be sure to look for us on Facebook. We're under Sewing and Crocheting for Beginners. Also the Crazy Dave's Crew. And our other little foray is the Crazy D Ranch and Rabbitry. Yes, we do raise rabbits. And we have chickens. And we do have a rooster. A friend of ours, her daughters had gotten together and gotten her some chickens. And they hadn't been sexed yet. And out of 10 chicks, 4 of them were roosters. But you do not want that many roosters for that few hens. So she gave us one. And we thought, well, that'd be really cool. Yeah, we used to let them roam and different things. We call him Rufus because he's a doofus. And I'll tell you, he's very brave when the door is between you and him. Truly. But we need to find him a home, as he really is not adding a lot of value to our little flock. But we do have, and I'll tell you, once you've had fresh eggs, buying the white ones from the store just doesn't cut it anymore. There is a difference, big difference. But I hope you're having a good day, and I really hope that you will like, subscribe, share our videos. That would be the best gift that you could possibly give to any of us. Be sure to watch my children's Advent calendar videos and give them some encouragement. They're a little shy, and they didn't have to make these. I just said I would buy them, if they would make the videos. And what I do love is that Shelby is volunteering to partner with Dave. But I think they're doing a great job. And it would be really great if y'all could watch too and give them some encouragement. Let them know that they're not too bad. They're not too bad. And I'm prejudiced. I think I got some good looking kids. Hope you're having a great day, and I hope you will come back tomorrow for day 12. Thanks for watching.